Hello everyone. If you're planning to travel to China or you're already living there, you've probably noticed that many websites and apps you use every day, like Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, are blocked. This is because of the Great Firewall, which is China's highly advanced internet censorship and surveillance system. It prevents users inside the country from accessing many foreign websites, platforms, and services. While this can be frustrating, there is a way to bypass these restrictions, and that's by using a VPN like Surfshark, which is one of the few services that still works reliably in China. You can try Surfshark using the link in the description below to get it at a great price. Before you enter China, it's absolutely essential to prepare in advance. Once you're in the country, VPN websites, including Surfshark's, are usually inaccessible. So make sure you download and install the Surfshark app on all your devices before you travel. This includes your smartphone, your laptop, and your tablet. Create your account, sign into the app, and make sure everything is working properly while you're still outside of China. It's also a good idea to save backup installation files or download Surfshark's OpenVPN configuration files ahead of time, just in case you need to set things up manually later. Once you arrive in China, open the Surfshark app. Go into the settings and enable the feature called No Borders Mode. This is a specialized setting designed to help users connect from within countries that have heavy censorship like China. When No Borders Mode is activated, Surfshark will automatically show you a list of servers that are optimized for use in restricted regions. These servers are selected because they're more likely to connect successfully through the Great Firewall. Choose one of the recommended servers, ideally located in nearby countries like Japan, Singapore, or South Korea, and tap Connect. Another very important setting to enable is the kill switch. This feature will automatically disconnect your internet if your VPN connection suddenly drops. It prevents your real IP address and data from being exposed to your internet service provider or local surveillance. This is especially important in China, where you want to avoid any accidental data leaks while browsing blocked websites or using restricted apps. It's also important to understand that free VPNs are not effective in China. The Great Firewall is constantly updated to detect and block these services, making them unreliable or completely useless. Only premium VPNs like Surfshark, with advanced features such as No Borders Mode and encrypted protocols, have the capability to consistently work under China's strict internet controls. Using Surfshark in China is straightforward once you understand how to set it up correctly. The key is preparation. Make sure everything is installed and ready before your trip. Enable No Borders Mode and turn on the kill switch for maximum safety. Once you're connected, you'll be able to browse the web freely, access your favorite apps, stay in touch with family and friends, and work online without being restricted by the firewall. That's all for this video. If you want to try Surfshark VPN, there's a link in the description below where you can get it at a great price.